Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the BBC. I appreciate you guys checking in with me today. I've got the thing that I said I would get that got destroyed. No longer do I have the broke and busted front splitter on my car. I have a brand new splitter now from ACS Composites. That is my new baby, and it looks just like this. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is my new ACS Composites carbon flashed, it's carbon flash, so beautiful, so shiny. It's carbon flash. It is not carbon fiber. Looks like it's going to be a little bit more durable. I think it's not as deep or low profile as far as close to the ground as the carbon fiber one was. So hopefully nothing hits this. It doesn't seem as flexible. It's more rigid, of course. And hopefully nothing hits this one and destroys it in the process. So we are going to take our time. Oh, and by the way, it is a stage 2, so I do have these little carbon flash winglets that come with it that will replace the ones that I had before, which are now destroyed. So I will be putting these on as well, because I'll need somewhere to put my GoPro, because that's usually where I put it, is on the side there. So stand by, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to get this on here in a flash. So looking at the car, we have absolutely nothing on it right now, but we're about to put the carbon flash splitter on there, the stage 2 carbon flash splitter. And this is what it looks like now, and this is what it looks like. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The carbon flash is back on, and it looks fantastic, to say the least. I've saved by far. This is the better front splitter that I've ever had, and I am pretty impressed with ACS Composites right now. The winglets are fairly small, so that's a good thing. Didn't like them when they were huge, you know. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but these are looking pretty darn spiffy. Thank you guys for joining me this evening. I really appreciate you guys for coming and hanging out with me in the BBC. Make sure to remember, ladies and gentlemen, keep your BBC nice and clean. The ladies really like it that way. Have a great evening. Please be safe. And if you must go over 100, please try not to. Keep it under 100 if you can, because remember, it's your ticket.